Now we will demonstrate the replacement toner cartridge model Brother TN750, which is compatible with printer model Brother HL5445D. First, we will gently shake the toner cartridge to evenly distribute the toner powder. Then we will remove the protective orange plastic cover. Then we will insert the toner cartridge into the toner carrier. Once that's inserted, then we will unlock this tab and gently swipe 2 or 3 times, and be sure to return it to the locking position on the left. Now we will insert the toner cartridge assembly into the printer and close the cover and do a test print. And here's our test print for the replacement toner cartridge model number Brother TN750, which is compatible with printer number model Brother HL5445D.